So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Adani Green Energy share. So we know that this particular stock in a short span of time it has given a very good returns. In 1 month itself it has given 80% returns. So but this particular stock we already discussed in our previous videos almost 2 months back. Also I suggested that you can add this particular stock when it was trading in lower circuit, and whenever it was having quick movement I updated so that you can average or you can add in small quantities. So always I suggest to add in small quantities because this particular stock when it was trading in lower circuit, so many people were in panic situation that will it continuously hit the lower circuit. So I told that you can add in small quantities. So today you can see it has reached almost 600 plus levels. Okay. So if you have not watched the fundamentals of the particular company, so you can watch this particular video. So I discussed about the fundamentals of the company and what are its future prospects. So one thing you need to remember about this particular stock, that it has a very strong political background. So whichever company has a strong political background, however how much PE may be high, how much pledging may be present, that doesn't matter. Okay, you need to remember this point. So Adani Green, so we know that if you see the PE is way high as compared to the sector PE. So that is the essence of political background. That is a strong support of the BJP government. So we know that many solar based companies are there, but why only this particular stock is increasing? So you need to understand that not only Adani Green, Adani Enterprises, Adani Power, you can see everything is completely related to BJP government. So as long as the government is present, so there will be nothing problem to these type of stocks. You can add at any levels, but you need to be very cautious and you need to invest at regular basis for long term. So whenever till the government, BJP government is present, till that time you can enjoy the rally, especially in these type of stocks. So company wise, we know that these type of companies have very good futures. So not only Adani Green, so we have many companies which are related to renewable energy resources. But this particular company, if you see, even the market cap is reaching its new highs, and also the stock price, you can see how much movement it is giving. Almost in 1 year, it has given you 1000% returns. Okay, almost 1000% returns. So even though the results were not that great, the stock has shown continuous momentum because of the demand and also the strong political background which always influences any stock. Okay, you need to remember these things. Don't ever invest in stocks which are not having any fundamentals. So fundamentals of this company are decent. Only one main thing is that because of the political background. Okay. So even the market cap is increasing, so many people are attracted to this stock, and in positionally as well as for people who have invested at 100 levels below also they have earned very huge returns. Okay, so even when the market was in correction phase, this particular stock has remained in consolidation phase, and again a quick movement was seen. So people have entered at the levels which we discussed, and also who have invested at 600 levels. So we'll try to find out the next possible levels. So when we see the volume analysis of Adani Green, so on 16th September, so you can see almost 40.7% deliverable quantity was seen, and you can see traded quantity in these type of stocks will always be more. So we know that especially earlier it used to trade in upper circuit and lower circuit, but nowadays it is having a decent movement, and traded quantity as usual has remained in an increasing manner. And if you compare with the weekly averages also, deliverable quantity was 50.2. So slightly we can say that the traded quantity is increasing. So traded quantity is increasing, it implies that operator activity is also present. So don't invest in heavy quantities. Yes, you can invest in small quantities, but don't put bulk investment at a time, because if any sort of correction happens, then you will enter into a loss. Okay, so invest in small quantities. It's the best share. You should not be even surprised after a few years if it crosses the 1000 rupees mark level also. Okay, it may cross that as well, because government support is there. All the projects or major we can say everything will be allotted to Adani Green. So that is the power of Indian government. So those things if happens, then definitely results will change, and also the company background, market cap, investors, FIIs, DIs, everything will be changed, and ultimately the stock also will start moving to new highs. Okay, so do these sort of analysis as well. So blindly don't invest in any stock. So when we see the momentum of the stock, so still momentum is present for the stock, so continuous movement is seen. So once this particular stock comes in the consolidation phase, so we know that whenever I discussed about this particular stock, whenever consolidation phase occurs, you need to be very attentive and you need to add in small amounts. That is what I told. So after the consolidation phase completes, so direct we can say that upward move will be seen in these type of stocks. So clearly you can see RSI 85.3, money flow index 97.2. So though they're way in the overbought region, so completely in the overbought region. So generally we know that whenever any stock approaches overbought region, correction happens, but in these type of stocks, no correction, high PE, and continues in the overbought region only. In between, some lower circuits will be seen, but again it will retrace and again it will start moving towards its new highs. So this is what happens in Adani Green. So this is a regular pattern followed in it. So that's why I was suggesting from the bottom itself that you can add in small quantities so that you will have a good amount for the long term. So when we see the returns of the company, so clearly you can see 1 week 9.55%, 1 month 80% returns. That is what I was telling. 3 months 50, 6 months 392, and 1 year you can see almost 1100% returns are given by the company. Okay, so people have bought at the bottom, so definitely they are enjoying the profits. So that is what is called the proper analysis of the government background also. So whenever you're investing any stock, you need to see whether there is any political background, and you need to see will that be the major concern. So whenever BJP wins any elections, we know that Adani Enterprises and all rally almost 20%. So why that? Because the background, since the power will come, most of the opportunities will be allotted to those companies, and those companies only will be benefited. So this is what happens in this Indian government. So you need to be very attentive with these type of stocks. You can invest, but invest always in small quantities. So when we see the technical analysis of Adani Green, so you can see almost it has crossed the 600 mark and almost approaching 700 rupees. So you can see how much huge highs. You can see the rally, how much beautiful rally it has shown. Continuous upward journey. In between some downtrend was there, but again that has continued. So this is what I was telling. So this is the consolidation phase. So you need to be very attentive. You need to draw the trend lines. I discussed in my educational videos also that how to identify the trend lines. So when the consolidation phase occurs, you need to be very attentive. So volume breakout, same thing happens again. Okay, you need to see these sort of things, and you need to invest in small quantities. So whenever the money flow index has come down, that time only you need to invest, because that's a very good opportunity available for us. So currently you can see completely in overbought region. So if the market moves in a good manner, then definitely this stock will reach 700 plus. Okay, be attentive. So today when the market was down, so even the stock has given only minute correction. So in 1 week chart also we can see continuous, we can say 1 to 3 4 weeks the stock was in continuous momentum. So in past earlier weeks we can see consolidation, again breakout. So continuous operator activity will be seen. So clearly when it comes down, that is below the overbought region, so then that time only you should ready to add in this particular stock. If you're interested doing positional or for long term, definitely you will be getting good amount of profits. So 2 months back, if you had invested almost 80 to 85% profit, definitely you would be getting. Even in small quantities you can make a very good profit. So remember that as well. Don't think that heavy investments only give great profits. Even if you invest in heavy quantities, you need to think even the loss concern also. If loss comes, who will be benefited? Each and every profit that you have earned will vanish if that loss occurs. So think in that sort of a small investment in diversified way is a very good strategy for long term. Okay, so focus on these levels. So if it falls, wait for 600 as well as 610 levels if you want to invest, that is fresh investment. So until then, wait and watch patiently, and people who have invested at low levels, then definitely they can hold for 700 plus targets. Okay, so this is all about Adani Green. If you like the video, definitely like it and join the Telegram group, so that I will update any sort of long-term stock. So earlier I updated about XC LMPOC. So this type of stock I updated in the that is a Telegram section. Do watch this stock. I have recommended around 160 170 level. So today it has almost touched the 200, that is 198 I guess. So it's trading near that level. So watch these type of stocks and invest in small quantities. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye.